Kwa ngapi uko unajiuza? Mpaka wengine wanatimuliwa katika madangulo. Serious, unakuja kutembea na mwanafunzi?
Kenya ikanyora libagari ya elio koba Republic na kiako geranga guchakiro mwaka bwiriwemo na 20 ni gense ya Kenya yairitwe n'ababeberu na kobe colony yense ya Bongereza. Ikiako gerabono Kenya toguchingira myaka 50 nomo nebere 62 years kuru Kenya yangete gwetenera yoka asoburai ne yinse yoburai bwae omuske ayati mzee Jomo Kenyatta nabarayi bande bengakiye yokwegena kwane ngalitukoli yao ne wiki yao yabeirengia gokwaligania asekionga chinsa ibere kurwa Getembe Television kama kawa kama dawa tubwatie ase mitandao ya kijamii asensemeria Facebook Getembe TV gari ya YouTube igotore live Getembe TV nabo igo chinsemo chindemo na TikTok amona mutandao X Getembe TV obego konyora manganaya na bunenge nchereri tukeriga liya Jumapili ege ikaro ni fire bin fire asensemo yoko korokia ase sign language go sebi manyererio noyo minto Wilson Makoli eriane authentic Dennis Obru. Mugavana we county ya Kisii Muske Paul Simba Arati tararekana asaba na inchi asegeka kurua setaro Muske Matiang'i yabete imeye county ya Kisii kurende Muske Simba Arati tukolia rero nigara abagusi anene county ya Kisii asogo chengera umuyega umadaraka asegeti Kiagusi Stadium okwana asegeti ekyo abarai ao ni gobarua chinkwana chabo igoro yobo mono go chamo kumugusi elikwene kingango twara bali agenda emo muri kwito Daniela Ontiri ngati yabali kibaito babeke kambi asensemeyo na gutwariganiria oroboti rokubwatia
Chinga Kenya yaringego chingira lituko lia madaraka ya 50 nebere asensemo ya Homa Bay kurwa Serogongo rwagusi ase county ya Kisii moyogo yo nigoragwa n'umugavana we county yo Muske Paul Simba Arati asegeti Kiagusi Stadium egati yabarai aboigo baikirana ngamono mokonye Muske Lijo Bebo Muspika we bonge ye county Dr. Philip Nyanumba Jacob Bagaka egati yabarai banda bange okwana chinga kecho abakoroni go bainyorwa asukurwandira ense ya Kenya gwikika nyorobo sibule mwaka bweliwe mo chimikyanda na 53 asamasabo chinkwana na samatera okwana chinga kecharati nigakwanira okugania kogo chengera abanyankonga bwo nilibaga lyabo linene lyokurusia Kenya asi chinyororo cy'abakoroni.
It's a day when we remember the moment our nation took its dignity into its own hands, stepping boldly into the era of self-governance. This historic occasion is not only a celebration, but a solemn reminder of the immense sacrifice made by our forefathers. Men and women from all corners of Kenya, including our own Kisii County.
Asense mwende nigakwanira kugania boigo kugochamo gukwanira ase liogirimo buno mogusi asekelibuna omogusi ochairwe asenga kentambe na yankorengana no Muskarati
na ndikinde na mbere mwana no ngirimo mogusi lazima tukwane ne sauti yemo. Nandeke utwabira bantabamenyi totale na ebisa kubibye byota otwale tabu obwatekula tumanye wanza kwekige sakweka mesekemo tubasakura amamuntu abantu abamuntu tubagane lazima tuba bantabamenyi tubagane tunyaye utale sabaremo yobo kuigwense.
Agatato ni galira kuja kuendera kubwaterana na bubwatani au iliokoeneke buna bamenye be county ya Kisii bakineleke magendero na uralia omochaka no moya
kwa pasta tunatengeneza karibu nyumba 100 za wale wafanyabiashara. Tutahakikisha video yote ambayo wanafanya biashara atarudi kwa kibanda chake.
Na pili na la mwisho, Mheshimiwa Gavana, mimi nikuombea kwamba Mwenyezi Mungu akulinde, akutunze, akuelekeze na kuhifadhi, na zaidi ya yote akuhakikishe kinene ndugu Mungu wa roho kwenda kusio na wote wana ni 10 bila break.
Today is a day we don't want to discuss politics because we are celebrating the games which was achieved in 1963.
Asa musangirikano yoboigo igati ya barai igo barulekana komo mocho morai wensobono Dr. William Ruto aso gotabanga na kuroberia magenderaye boronge igati ya Rogongo rwa Luo Nyanza no Rogongo rwa Gusii bateba iyo neregati y'ekisababu chinde chinyinge batakerete hoyo kabiro mwaziri Dr. Fred Matiang'i airelie bagelio lyokora Kenya somo chakano moya kemagendero.
We need to ask ourselves a lot of questions. Why is the government denying the Kisii region the development that it deserves? They should be able to know when we get self-rule, it meant that we must have equal development in all regions. Na tunataka kufanya kazi na viongozi ambao wanatutambua. Mheshimiwa Simba Arati unapotea na Matiang'i na tuanze pili na uturema ya Simba na Matiang'i na Simba Arati.
Nkurubutere gataseni kyagatembe koroya se county ya Kisii litrene nguruko Daniel Untiri.
Kero tugutigana na hiyo county ito ya Kisii tugenda se county tubebekaine ya Homa Bay. President William Ruto nigo ara ensingima asoguchingira moyega omadaraka kurua ase county ya Homa Bay. President Kenyatta nigo akwana amangana mange ayo yoaganitie gose gati yabo no kubaleta amo abakenya nabo igo kando no kubaleta amo abakenya nigate babuna amagenderero nigo araikirane ekera Kenya bonsi barabwaterane asikiria keganirie nabono talichinga kichia siasa kulendera buneganga ya bunu murai bwense no kubabika abakenya amo.
Anayependa Kenya ni yule mwenye kutenda haki kwa watu wote. Daima anayependa haki, daima anayependa haki, daima.
In celebrating women's leadership as a member of the G7 Women Governors Caucus, we are delighted and inspired to be joined today by our guest, Madam President, Her Excellency Natasha from Slovenia, the only country in the world with love in its name. We celebrate women leaders on whose shoulders we stand. Mama Phoebe Asio, Mama Rachel Ruto, and Minping Her Excellency Dr. Canon Ida Betty Odinga, among many others. We thank the people of Homa Bay for electing women leaders, as we are among the few counties that have achieved the 2/3 gender rule with the election of Honorable Millie Mabona, Honorable Dr. Ivo Bara, Honorable Dr. Lilian Gogo, Honorable Bensouda, and Senator Beatrice Ogola.
Your Excellency, at that time, they coined a constitution that had devolution in it, called Majimbo at that time. Over the years, Your Excellency, there were changes. Eventually, when we struggled, we brought back devolution in our constitution. This devolution, Your Excellency, has had several challenges. But I want to invite you, Your Excellency, to ensure that devolution works. Empower the devolution. Number one, by giving more resources coming down to the counties. Let the counties have sufficient resources so that they can be able to provide services to the people.
We look forward to your partnership, yourself and His Excellency Raila Odinga and the rest of us who are fortunate to be in leadership positions to build a more united Kenya, a more inclusive Kenya, where one's place of birth, religion, ethnicity doesn't have to count. Rather, their merit and what they bring on board in the contribution of our national development is what matters. I want to appeal that we also bring on board all generations so that the younger people, the older people, the children, and even the generations to come, we all find ourselves in that one ecosystem because we all belong to this country. No generation is superior to the other.
Sustainable economic growth, protection of rich biodiversity, a strong will to keep pace with rapid scientific development, a commitment to multilateralism, to international cooperation and tackling common problems. These are the values that unite us. The international importance of the country is reflected in the fact that several United Nations agencies are based here. Both our countries believe in multilateralism because peace, justice and prosperity should not be the privilege of some at the expense of others. We are, after all, an international community, and in a community we look out for one another.
Manchumuligere banongo sabu kwabera abugatangani gona tebanga President Uhuru Kenyatta kurinde igona minute President Dr. William Ruto. Boygo kagendrete kukwana ime ya Raila Odinga Stadium. President Ruto na kwanira igoro yobuya bweli tukeliga nobuya bukolicengera aseboigo atebya abakenya gutwara oboremu nga eserikali yae nikira nichira chionsi aliete kati yabo asakwanira umoroberio OCBC oyateba bune serikali gweterase wizara yechisemi negendrete kubwatia amachiko eriyo goikerania amaganio aganirie ne system iyo.
Some do not believe that we deserve the good that comes with positive change. Others think we are too poor or even in the wrong part of the world. Yet still, others do not want to see changes that benefit ordinary people or make life better for everyone. Today, ladies and gentlemen, I want to persuade the doubters that no one else is going to bring change except us, and that the only way to build the Kenya we want is by embracing change, however uncomfortable it may seem at first, and that we must possess the self-belief individually and collectively to approach our tasks boldly, confidently, and with determination in order to deliver new, more and better, sooner rather than later. This renewal of our commitment to deliver on the fundamental mandate of Madaraka is inspired by the enduring spirit of self-determination through which we vowed to give ourselves not only what was denied us during colonialism, but also what every citizen and every human being deserves. That is liberty, dignity, security, and opportunity. Madaraka affirms our collective faith shared across generations of Kenyan patriots that through hard work, innovation, and resilience, our farmers, traders, young people, workers, and professionals will rise to the occasion. With the strength of our imagination and effort, we can and must transform this nation. I thank you all. God bless you. God bless our great country, Kenya. Thank you very much.
Chinga kiechio President Dr. William Ruto na kwanira umurobiri umuya bw'ikisemi asairire bitambukiro ao ebye serikali yaimukirie irigokinia kisemi imiyensi ya Kenya.
The most transformational shift of our education system in over 6 decades. We have successfully transitioned to a competence-based education system, moving away from rote learning towards a dynamic, skills-based approach aligned with the 21st century needs and our socio-economic goals. Our next priority is to ensure every school has infrastructure and equipment needed to support both learners and teachers. To support this transition, and respond to the needs of our growing population, we have undertaken the largest teacher recruitment drive since independence, employing 76,000 new teachers over a period of 2 years, and are on course on additional 24,000 teachers by January next year. We also have built more than 23,000 additional classrooms, easing pressure on existing infrastructure and shielding teachers and learners from the burden of overcrowded classrooms. At the tertiary level, we have revolutionized education financing through a new student-centered funding model that ensures the sustainability of our TVETs and universities while expanding access for learners. Today, students from poor families get up to 90% of government scholarships, with parents paying only a nominal fee. In recognition of the transformative power of technical and vocational education and training, in tackling pressing socio-economic challenges such as youth unemployment, skills gaps and poverty, the government is aggressively scaling up investment in technical training.
Irigokora emechando ase sekta yobochenu anena somuromeri obu gwakanira gwetera asenchereria omuroberi osha serikali gwetera ase wizara yobochenu ekubwaterana nebyombe ebikebike gose MSMEs amona cooperatives nigo yacha kiro omuroberi obuna obanyikaine buna lipa pole pole muroberi oyo nigo okoa libaga aye buno mo Kenya libaga lyo gwakana chibese chinke gwetera ase okuire simia ona go dial star ayemo inye isano na ibere hash ngwirorere gabunga nigo go dial star 147 hash egere bono gokonyorara onyare ko bagochikwemanya na kumanyanga mirobirikie serikali yawe kira somurobiri yo osha wetera lipa pole pole.
To address persistent challenges such as irregular premiums and other contributions among informal sector workers, we are introducing an innovative and inclusive payment solution called Lipa Sha Pole Pole or Lipa Sha Mosmos. This initiative enables Kenyans to remit their annual SHA contributions through flexible, manageable installments, whether monthly, weekly, or even daily, based on their financial ability. It ensures families maintain continuous health coverage without financial strain, while simultaneously promoting the sustainability of the health insurance fund. Lipa Sha Pole Pole has been made possible through a strategic partnership between the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Cooperatives and MSMEs, mobile network operators, and financial institutions through the Hustler Fund. The system is simple and accessible to citizens. Citizens can dial star 147 hash and follow the prompts to enroll and begin their contributions immediately.
Abaonchereria kurua asechiro ye kerorano ye gotoka ime ye ward ya Riane constituency ya Bonchari ni gobeso kire na kwemurunganirio bokorerio bobebwe chire iyo okwana na Getembe TV na Getembe FM ni gabaonchereria bobatebire buna kolengana ne bango bakuru tibaru chinganki ko bakonya sibabuliriye serikali gwesokia eriko ene kingankonyora bali obokorerio buya.
Tubwati nona stoko analile para igoroton abangina abati wacha wana tiketi lakini tunaotora. Tafadhali tusaidie. Tusaidie.
Gake kinale ko sabaiya karorano. Abantu baminda bale mokora mutaite chikura 2027 abantu batache irunsa bara irororo mutago tokonye siro pambu mutobekere no anibere chio kansa iga stokoneri elinde gake abanyina bara irana abana no ana abanya pikipiki bonsi na ana mutaite bacha ko bakera chikura
obojabu boro ojabu boikire na ande kutuga tole ningana linde tete komenta ndinga wedani obojabu wati kinyomba choko cheko Igana okwani bwoito tutagete tonyora nga nyomba cyo bachanu n'ekipambu ne ojabu ijira benda asaba ngina bakone ne twasaba na potopoto dogotenena twanyama stoti na nagiya
Ntobuatie cyogere nchafu ntobuatie skicho tomochi atwasambire bitu bya bande tokominya kigura kinego cyo ukorokera litoko tutagete cyo guchira yande tararasi gucho bataba kura bakubu cyo tobuati
Edogo chile chile edo twayo amare bidete ere ni wato korera simon manyo onya sabi gaiga eri no ko chino bate twayo no bitu ya bire na ba tu esto amire ba ko ya se kare baki to konya to nore nore so pa se ba ba
Mwanjumuligeri bono robot yoru kurua ase constituency ya Bonchari wodi ya Ariana nongo kurira amangana mayia ase chingaki chiga chiabono gose kyonga chinsaibere nyorangana kulire iranga bageningo ikabaraiga ase ikaro togo chia gukwanira amange toskatambe na kwera na toregeka getari getambe
Superstores Nero eduka asorbo gurigarua South Nyanza yancheri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills ilikuya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achagwirigiria amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo engale iyurengia na wigo ekogokie liso yao chingaki ogoswasa yekurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate etime tembo abuwe bago kolemirimo ase showroom yiga babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na wigo cho tebelie kende kensi uragania bagotebelia company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo au ayuari ye chikala au na wigo ayuwe gabwata chi profile net gauges au unamono babwata nomo corrugated na wigo box corrugated asimigo babwata boomerang ayuari aye chigech emerungetato asama mabati aliaje chigeche merongibire na isaro na isato mbabwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na wigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana roman jinko na wigo web design babwate ligani gabwate chikala buna bono lia chako grey brick red tile red maroon sky blue na wigo na green obutambe bwe mabati yiga niko bokolengana amo nukonya bwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi wigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabati yiga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyari kabo gukwerera amabati yu akomenya sigika ayo chani warrant na wigo ayo orakoburwa kasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yegutoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumu churigo busongo iyirange neduka ya Safaricom wigo ngutuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyire angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakeresi bigotera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Amone